7 Interesting Facts About Brushing Your Teeth That You Should Know to Live a Healthy Life. William Addis invented the toothbrush out of cow bone and pig bristles, when he was in prison. Do you remember the first time you learned to brush your teeth? It seems like a simple thing to do, but you'll be shocked to know that a lot of people still make mistakes when brushing their teeth. What's even more shocking is the idea of how people cleaned their teeth when toothbrushes still didn't exist. It's dangerous to brush your teeth immediately after eating. You can damage your tooth enamel, the outer layer of your tooth, by brushing your teeth right after eating. The tooth enamel weakens when you consume acidic foods like meat, pasta, and fish. Dentists recommend waiting at least 30 minutes before brushing your teeth after a meal. This is enough time for your tooth enamel to harden again, preventing it from being damaged. It's crazy to think that people used to live without using a toothbrush. For people to clean their teeth before, the most common way was to use a rug and soot. William Addis hated this way of cleaning his teeth, which led him to make the first toothbrush in 1780 while he was imprisoned after starting a riot. He made it by putting holes in a cow bone to insert pig bristles. After being released from prison, he immediately built a company to mass-produce his invention. You remove an active ingredient from your toothpaste called fluoride when rinsing after brushing your teeth. Once removed, your teeth become prone to oral health problems such as tooth decay, gum disease, and acid erosion. Even using mouthwash after brushing your teeth can still take off the fluoride. Spitting is the only way to remove excess toothpaste without getting rid of the toothpaste's fluoride. The reason why some hard bristled toothbrushes are still sold boils down to the fact that some consumers believe they're more effective in cleaning their teeth. But thinking that a hard bristled toothbrush cleans your teeth better is a myth. It can make your gums bleed and damage your tooth enamel, which is why dentists don't recommend it. What they suggest instead is a soft bristled toothbrush because it removes plaque from your teeth and gums in a gentle way. It can also reach areas of your teeth that a hard bristled toothbrush can clean. But remember that brushing too hard with a soft bristled toothbrush is no better than using a hard bristled toothbrush. It doesn't matter how often you brush your teeth daily, you'll still have bad breath if you don't clean your tongue. When you see your tongue looks whitish or yellowish, it's a sign for you to clean it. A white or yellow tongue results from bacteria building up on your tongue, which can eventually reach your teeth and gums. This makes brushing your teeth less effective in protecting them from oral health problems. You can use the backside of your toothbrush to clean your tongue, but using a tongue scraper does a better job of removing bacteria and preventing bad breath. Whitening toothpaste contains more abrasive ingredients than regular toothpaste. This can make your teeth appear slightly whiter by removing extrinsic stains or stains from the outermost layer of your teeth. Some examples would be stains from coffee, cigarettes, and sodas. Although, using a whitening toothpaste comes with a risk as more abrasive toothpaste leads to thinner enamel, making your teeth sensitive and even appearing darker. Bacteria from your mouth stay on your toothbrush after brushing your teeth. While most bacteria from it are harmless, some can cause infections. Studies show that some bacteria are still found on your toothbrush despite rinsing it with water. That's why dentists recommend replacing your toothbrush regularly. Because aside from effectively removing plaque, a new toothbrush is less prone to fungal and bacterial growth. It's also better not to store your toothbrush in a closed container as this results in moisture, where bacteria thrive. Like and subscribe channel for more facts.